So you are confused about how to insert your SIM card into your iPhone 17 Pro Max? Let's go through the process. So first you have to make sure you are using a country variant of the iPhone 17 Pro Max that includes a SIM tray such as the UK, India, UAE, Hong Kong, or Singapore model that support a physical SIM tray. But if you have an iPhone Air in your hand, you can see it doesn't support a physical SIM slot. Then you will find a SIM ejector tool inside the box. Now take it, and now just below the volume buttons, you will see the SIM tray here. Now gently insert the ejector pin into the small hole. Then the tray will pop up slightly, so just pull it out with your fingers. Now you have to place your SIM card properly in the slot and making sure it fits the shape. Then you have to slide the tray back in until it's full secure. Now to remove the SIM card, repeat the same steps, use the pin. That's it. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.